Hello everybody, happy Sunday. So I thought that today I would get the old vlogging camera out and do a little come shopping with me style video. I need some new like smart casual going out but in winter type of outfits and also just some outfits in general because I've got quite a few events coming up this month and in the next month as well. I'm going skiing with some of my friends at the end of the month and I've just got a lot going on. Now that dry January is out of the way, I've got like every weekend booked up to do different fun things. For example, I love to go to like bottomless brunches and just brunch in general, which is kind of like a daytime smart cash vibes. So I need some new clothes basically, and probably isn't an excuse, but oh well. So I'm going to go to Lakeside, which is near Essex-ish. I've never actually been there before, but apparently it's like a massive, amazing shopping centre. So I'm really excited to go somewhere like that because I haven't been to like a really big mall, I guess you could say, in ages. So I'm going to do that today. I'm very excited. And also this video has been sponsored by Select Fashion, so that is where I'll be going to do all my shopping today. So thank you so much to Select. I'll also do like a try on haul at the end of the video of everything that I've bought, a little fashion show for you, so make sure to stick around to the end so you can see everything that I bought, and there might also be a little discount code at the end of the video as well. And if you realise at any point that you like this video, just make sure to give it a little thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and you like what you see. Okay, I think I've got all of that out of the way. Let's go and do some shopping. Okay, so I just got here, but I'm not gonna lie, that journey was horrible. There's a storm Sierra apparently, and the trains were so delayed, so messed up. But I'm here now, thank God. Okay, so I'm just in the changing room and I actually was surprised at how many things that I have chosen. I'm going to show you everything that I've chosen, and then later on I'm going to do a big try on haul of everything that I actually buy. But I do have to say that there's so much more here that I thought Select sold. I thought they only did like clothes, but they do bags and shoes and accessories. But for now I've got all of this to try on. So here we go.
Everything about you.
These trousers are so comfortable. They'd be perfect for like traveling in or like just lounging around in, to be honest, but they are so comfy. Really loose fitting, love them. I really love this dress too. This is like the dress version of the black jumpsuit that I just tried on, but it's a little bit tight, so I'll probably have to go for the next size up, which hopefully they have out back because I really love this one. I think this would be perfect for like a little brunch or something.
Everything about you.
So I'm back from the shop now. I'm just going to do a little fashion show to show you what I got, because I am really happy with the things that I got actually. Select is definitely not a shop that I would normally think about going into. I don't really know why. I think I just haven't really been in there since I was a lot younger. But since going in there today, I feel like I'm definitely going to go back in there again. There were so many nice things and it's all really, really well priced. So this is my first choice. I love this. I feel like out of everything, this is the most me. Like, I wear jumpsuits a lot. I especially like the kind of like industrial boiler style jumpsuits and play suits. I like how it comes down to the ankle. I haven't got my laces done up, lol. But I thought this would look really nice with either chunky trainers like I've got on now, or some white boots with a little heel on. But it feels really good quality. It's a really nice like shape. I feel like it fits really well. A lot of the time with jumpsuits, they can either be too short in the body for me because I'm quite tall, or they're too short in the leg. But this one is perfect. It comes to where it should do on the ankle, and it's more than long enough in the body. So I am very, very happy with this. This is what it looks like with the white boots as well. I think with the boots, it looks really like 70s. I feel like you could dress it up or you could just go out casual in it as well. It's like really, what's the word? It's really, I always want to go and say pliable, but that's not the word I'm looking for. Versatile! That's the word. Okay, so this is the second outfit that I went for. I've also paired it with this hairband, which is also from Select. It's really cute, it's like a little mustard hairband. And I also chose this denim dress, which I think is so nice. It's really like casual, but also quite like summery. So I feel like I'll probably save this one for spring and summer. Hopefully we'll get a hot one. But I think it fits really nicely. It kind of goes in where I want it to, and it's not too fitted because I don't really like things that are like skin tight. It's still got a bit of like movement to it, and I much prefer that for my body shape especially. I don't really like it when things are just tight all the way down. This one's quite nice because it goes in and then flares out slightly, so it's more flattering. But I've paired it with some chunky white trainers again. I just think this is like really screaming spring and summer to me. So I felt like this would be nice for like a little casual daytime drink at the pub, or I don't know, going out shopping or something. I feel like this is like a casual outfit, but it still looks put together, which is perfect. I feel like the colour remind me of something, like the blue with the yellow. I feel like I look like a cartoon character, but I don't quite know which one. I almost said Matilda, but it's not Matilda. It's something else. If you know what I mean, comment down below if I look like a certain cartoon character, but I just can't. Maybe Noddy? I don't know. Comment below if you know what I mean. Okay, so here is outfit number 3. And I have to admit, the more I see this or wear it, the more I actually like it, because I almost didn't pick it off the hanger to try on because, I don't know, it's just kind of like not the kind of thing I would usually wear. But I'm so glad that I did, because when I tried it on I was like, okay, I'm actually really into this, but the more I look at it, the more I really like it. I think this kind of fit is perfect for my body shape because I like things that pinch in at the waist but don't accentuate much else from below the waist, because I'm not a huge fan of like my love handle area, but I feel like this just kind of skims it so perfectly, and it's just like the shape that I need in dresses. It's also a really nice colour, and I don't have a lot of khaki in my wardrobe. If this was like a rust orange or a red, I feel like it would be amazing as well, but I do really like the khaki. So yeah, this is like the dress that's growing on me a lot, and I think at first I preferred the denim, but I think now I prefer this one. It's again very versatile. You could dress it up and go out in it, or you could dress it down with like trainers. I've worn it with these little black boots, which I think are cute with it, but I feel like if you wanted to dress it down with trainers, you could definitely do that as well, and just throw on a denim jacket or something, and it would also look really nice. So yeah, what do you guys think about this one? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so this is my final outfit. Again, I can't really decide whether I like this one best, or the green dress, or the jumpsuit. Now I think I just like everything equally. This is probably the most like out of my comfort zone outfit, because I don't really wear anything like this usually, but I really like the way it's like kind of girly, but also like a suit type co-ord, so it's not like really girly, because I'm not one of those people that wears a lot of like overly like very feminine clothes. I don't know why, they just don't suit me. But one of the reasons why I really liked this is because it reminded me of Clueless. I think it would be so nice for like a brunch, because that's kind of like in between getting dressed up and like staying quite casual. So you can wear it for a few different seasons, and I really, really like it. I've just put this black lace bodysuit on underneath, but you could wear whatever you want, like a bralette or just a plain t-shirt or something underneath. It would look really cool with either. I've also paired it with these white boots as well because I think they just add to the whole 90s style that I'm going for with this apparently. This also feels really good quality, like it's pretty thick, it's got a nice lining on the inside, the shorts fit really well. I'm just really impressed with Select with the way that everything has fit so far. I think out of everything that I tried on in the changing rooms, there was maybe 2 or 3 things out of a lot that didn't really suit my body shape, and that for me is really rare. So I'm really impressed with the fit of their clothes. So if you haven't tried Select out and you're not sure like if you're gonna like their stuff or you didn't think it was your kind of style, then definitely go and check them out because I mean, I'll be going back there for sure. Let me know in the comments what you thought about each outfit and which one was your favourite, and I will reply to all of them. And if any of you guys watching like these outfits and you want to buy your own, or you want to have a look on the website and you find something else that you like from Select, I have a discount code for you. Yes, that's right. So if you just use this code at the checkout, then you can get 20% discount, which is huge. A massive thank you to the guys at Select as well for working with me on this video and helping me out in store and stuff. You're all really great. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also follow Select as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.
Everything about you.